So you said 35% of the new leasing is happening in the flexible workspace solutions.
Yeah.
Where is the maximum demand coming in from?
So I would say global businesses still continue to be a big part of where the growth is coming from, both multinationals and GCCs.
So you guys are at 20,000 rupees a desk and there are people at 7,000 and 8,000. But India is a price conscious market, right?
We're not looking to go into tier 2 and tier 3, where who's employing everyone. It's still these global multinational businesses. Everyone's aspirational in India. They still want to come to Bombay or Bangalore finally to find work, social infrastructures, schooling, better apartments.
Today we are in conversation with Karan Virwani, who is the MD and CEO of WeWork India. We are here to talk about India's flexible workspace market, which is entering a high growth phase with WeWork positioned firmly at the forefront. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but you come from very high pedigree, the Embassy Group.
Yes.
Coming from a family that has built so much, is there a little bit of pressure?
There's definite pros and cons to it. My dad, he separated from his father and had to really build Embassy from scratch. So when I was growing up, it wasn't always like the way it is right now. I really got to see what it took to build something so large.
It's very interesting to me how you, of course, had this big platform, which is the Embassy Group, but you still chose to branch out and bring WeWork to India. How did that thought come about and why did you do that?
I've always had a bit of an entrepreneurial bug. In my last year of college is actually when I set up my first business with a partner of mine. So I spent 2 years setting that up, really understood or experienced how hard it was for startups to set up in India at that time. There was no infrastructure. We used to meet people in rented apartments or coffee day or whatever it is. That's where meetings and all of that used to happen. That led us down this path of going to New York, entering a WeWork, and once we entered, it was like basically a light bulb, life-changing moment. It was very clear to me and to all of us, my dad included, that if this was in India, this would just explode.
It's a huge dichotomy for me, like a company that has just fallen flat globally, but you bring it to India and it's thriving. Why do you think that is?
So